Hi, welcome to Tip of the Month. My name is Kevin. I'm a Customer Relations Advisor at Emply. Today I'm going to show you how to automate the process of sending out a reference form as part of your recruitment process, so you don't have to do it manually. Let's get started. So here we have our job posting support consultants. We have our candidate Tom Sawyer. And the thing we're trying to achieve is whenever we move our candidate from first interview to a reference, we want it to automatically send out a reference form to our candidate. So if we go into settings, automations, reference scheme, I have created this automation where we choose candidate updated, and set the pipeline stage equal to reference. After that, we add an action, in this case a form, choose the reference form, and the email we want the candidate to receive. Whenever we move our candidate from first interview to the reference pipeline, our candidate receives a message that looks like this. Dear Tom Sawyer, we would like to proceed with your application. Please click the link below and fill out the reference form. I hope you found this tip useful. If you have any suggestions to what we should cover next, feel free to email us at marketing@emply.com. See you next time.